Hi again, guys, welcome back to another video. I haven't been posting lately because I've been really busy and I really don't know what else to do because I really don't have any ideas. But today my parents brought me these. It's inverted, but what they are, they're like, what it says they are is edible bird's nest drink. I just call it bird saliva, but I've never drank these before. And I low-key kind of want to try it out. I've asked some people, they said it tastes pretty good. Some said it tastes like aloe vera. So let's give it a shot, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't make me vomit. Let's see, where do I open it from there? Ow, my nail. Okay, bro. It broke apart. Oh, okay. Oh, that's it? Okay. Okay. How do I do this? Oh, it locks? That's sick. Look at this. It has a lock. So, like, I could do it like this. Then pop that off. Oh, that's sick. Cool bottle. Now, how do I open this? Oh. Yeah, you guys might wanna wait a tiny bit. No, I'll be back.
3 hours later.
Okay, I opened it up, but it spilled out. It was cold. But yeah, let me just. Oh, I felt weird. Okay. Now, the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Taste test. It smells pretty nice, I'd say. Let me show you guys what the consistency is like. I don't know how to describe it, but it's really, really thick. And all right, let's try it out now. Okay. Tastes like coconut. Well, it's not as bad as I thought. It actually doesn't have that thick consistency that I thought it would have. It was really silky. And it's like, there's like edible parts inside that are like jelly. If you drink aloe vera water or aloe vera juice before, you know how there's like little jello cubes in there? It's kind of like that, but it has like a it's kind of like coconut meat or the flesh, coconut flesh, where it's sort of crunchy. It's like gelatinous. It's actually not that bad. Yeah, it's not thick at all. Very, very good. Doesn't taste like much. Yeah, it's pretty good. Honestly, didn't expect it. My parents said that they're good for your health or something. I don't know what it's good for, but it's pretty cool to try something new once in a while. If I were to give it a rating, I'd give this like I'll give it like 7 out of 10. If I drink too much of this, I'll probably start vomiting. It doesn't taste terrible, but it's good once in a while, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Wait, let me try this out.